Today, I want to share a piece of my day with a recipe that always makes me feel light and energized: my Quinoa Hummus Wraps. Come with me. Let's start by simply slicing our fresh tomato. In a bowl, add your cooked quinoa and the creamy hummus. I tend to mix them thoroughly until they become a rich, satisfying spread. Grab your tortilla and spread that beautiful hummus mixture evenly over it. Hummus is packed with healthy fats that keep our internal engine running smoothly and our brains sharp. Now, layer on the fresh spinach and those tomato slices. Carefully and tightly roll the tortilla up. Let's make one more using the exact same steps. I love how colorful and fresh this looks. Slice them into these cute little pinwheels. You can cut them to whatever size you prefer. Plate them beautifully. Sharing my favorite reason for loving this. The fiber in the chickpeas feeds our good gut bacteria, keeping us feeling incredibly light and balanced all day. It's perfect for a daily meal, but also so pretty that I highly recommend it for a cozy party spread. Eat well, feel light.